Hey, Coach Craig here at Spot Training, and today I have a really nice seated hip flexor routine, especially if you have tight hips. Maybe you woke up on the wrong side of the bed like I did, then this will be a good one to help get rid of these stiff hips. So let's get started. Let's have fun. All right, grab your seat of choice. It could be edge of your bed, a couch, a stool, a chair, whatever you have, and we're gonna get started. We're gonna be doing 3 sets. First set will be more me explaining and demonstrating the 4 different exercises, and then the next 2 sets will be more of a complete run through of all of them, less talking on my part and more doing on yours. So let's get started with our first exercise. Alrighty, so sit up tall. We're gonna start off with some seated knee raises, 30 seconds on the clock. And let's get raising those knees. So the goal is really just to lift up your leg. You can hold on to the edge of your chair if needed. Now this isn't like a knee crunch. We're not trying to crunch over. We want to be nice and tall. The motion should be lifting from our hips. So nice and tall. Not worrying about how high you can get your knee. If anything, we really just want to feel it right in there. So be nice and gentle. This is the first set. Lift it up. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Moving right along into the figure 4 stretch. My legs are so not flexible for this, but it's gonna be fun. Have one leg planted, other leg will go over. I like how it's like this leg planted. No, I switched it on you guys. The other one, you're just gonna have to put your ankle on your knee. And the goal is we're gonna alternate between pushing our knee away from us, right? And you're gonna feel up in here, and then actually pulling it towards our opposite shoulder like this. So we're just doing this motion right here. And this is gonna do wonders for you. As you can see, this leg is so stiff, I can't even get it lower, but whatever you feel comfortable with. So here we go, 30 seconds. We'll do 15 seconds one side, 15 seconds the next. I'll let you know when to switch. Here we go. So again, just focus on having that figure 4 position, pushing away for a second or two, make sure you're breathing, and then pulling that towards you. You're gonna feel it all up in here when you pull. And then when you push away, you're gonna feel it in the top of your head. Just like that. So pull it, push it away. Again, be gentle. Pull, we're gonna switch in 3, 2, and 1. Switch sides. See the difference? Push your foot away or your knee away, and then pull it to you. Like that. Make sure you're standing nice and tall. Try not to like hunch over too much. Go. Let's do one more. And 3, 2, and 1. Whew. Shake out your legs. That feels good. Okay, we're gonna do some isometric adductors. This is gonna be fun. So your adductors are on the inside of your leg, and they're responsible for moving your leg towards you. So what we're gonna do is have your feet planted on the ground. We are gonna have our hands on the inside of our legs. So we're gonna focus on pushing against our own body. So the goal would be like when you're doing a normal adductor, like maybe in the gym or something, you're just pushing your knees together. So we're gonna try to do that, but the goal is we're gonna be fighting against ourselves. So we're gonna do 30 seconds of this isometric press. We're gonna do a couple seconds on, a couple seconds off. We really wanna press your knees together. So here we go, 30 seconds in 3, 2, and 1. So like I said, you can have your forearms or your hands, and you're just like pushing your knees in, and then you can relax a little bit. Here we go again, push in, let it go. Now you should be doing with enough intensity that if you let go of your hands, your knees would want to collapse together. So this is really gonna help strengthen your adductors. And I'm weird, and I'm like, how do I remember what adductor and abductor? I think of Pac-Man when he's like eating the pellets. He's like, you're adding adductors. Welcome to my brain. All right, a couple more seconds, 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Stretch those legs out. Now we're gonna do the reverse. We're gonna be doing the isometric abductors. They're on the outside here, and they're responsible for moving your leg away from your body like that. So here we go. We're doing the opposite now, hands on the outside. You can have them a little closer, and the goal is we want to push our knees away from each other as best we can. Here we go in 3, 2, and 1. So press, 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 release. Couple more seconds, high intensity, press, 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 press. There it is, release, press. The things I love, the reason I like these type of exercises because you are your own resistance, so you can give as much or little resistance as you need. It's not like you're fighting against a machine. so you know your actual strength. So I really like it. So here we go. Press, press, press. Let's do one more. Here we go. Press your knees away and done. Maybe you're like, it doesn't look like you're moving at all. I know, that's because I'm really pressing hard. You really want to balance out the movements, if you will. So that is your 4 exercises right there. Super simple. We're gonna go ahead in the second set and do it again now that you know what you're doing. But I'm telling you, these really help. My hips already, they've been stiff for a while and I've been neglecting them a little bit, but these type of exercises will get them right back where they need to be. Alrighty, you know what to do. We're gonna start off set number 2. Let's get it. All right, knee raises in 3, 2, and 1. All right, figure 4s in 3, 2, and 1. Switching in 3, 2, and 1. Isometric hip adductors. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. All right, the isometric hip abductors. 3, 2, 1. Great job, that was your second set. Grab some water. Hope your hips are feeling much better. We got one more set to go. Let's finish strong. Let's get into this third set. All right, knee raises in 3, 2, and 1. All right, figure 4s in 3, 2, and 1. Switching in 3, 2, and 1. Isometric hip adductors. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. right, the isometric hip abductors. 3, 2, 1. And there you have it. That was a seated hip flexor routine for you. I hope your hips no longer feel tight or stiff. Hope they feel more loose and flexible and ready to tackle your day, because I know I am. And if you like this video, go ahead, click the notification bell to stay on top of any new workout videos like this one dropping for you. I'm Coach Greg. I will see you in the next video. Have fun, stay safe, stay strong, my friend. Peace.